It's 6:30 right now and heading down to the beach. Gonna go surf and the wave should be pretty fun. City! Right now, this is Chessa.
Hi.
She's disappointed because I didn't tell her we were vlogging.
Yeah, I could have used 30 more minutes to get ready for today for my surf lesson.
Low tide closeouts. What's our big wave tip?
Well, you can be scared or you can be excited. And today, if I go out and I get smashed by a set, I have to still paddle out and not go back in. And I need to actually catch a wave if I get worked. It's big.
It's bombing right now. It's like double overhead.
It really is.
Jacob, we're out there. We're out here at Jaws. Chessa's about to go left. You wanna go left? Started off pretty fun today and then just got windy and even more closed out, but time to go home and eat some breakfast. Kind of fall apart though.